Okay, good. Welcome back. I hope you were able to solve these exercise and write an age calculator. Now let me give the solution as well. So first I will define name of the user as a string. Maybe it is Alice. And then year of birth will be an integer. Note that I'm defining this variable with underscores and simply like this kind of spaces is not allowed in Python. So I'll have these underscores and the year of birth, maybe it is 2000. And the current year is 2025. So my output will be print. And inside this f string, I will write hello name, which is this variable name. And I will be having another variable here, age, years old. Now note that I have not calculated age, so I should define this variable. And we know that age is nothing but current year minus year of birth. So when we run this, we will get statements similar to this one, and we will effectively solve this exercise. Now it is getting connected. And our Python code says that hello Alice, you are 25 years old. Nice. Another elegant way of writing this code can be using the input function. So let me have this title here, solution with input function, and I will call this a simple solution. So even if you solve this way, it's completely fine. It's just that I would like to show you this method as well. So our first variable is name, and it is nothing but input, and inside I will say what is your name, and I'm giving space here, note that. Then I have another variable with input, what is your year of birth. If you recall the input function lecture, there we saw that this input is always taken as a string and it's not a number. So in order to use this year of birth variable in arithmetic calculations, we must first convert this string into integer type. If we were working with some other variables, maybe like floats, then we would write float here. But since we are working with like years, they're always integer. So I can just simply write here int. So I'm converting this float into int right here, and then it is being stored into year of birth. And then current year is again int of input. And we ask the user what is the current year. And once user types this thing, we just perform the calculation, that is age is current year minus year of birth. And then in the print we write hello name, you are age years old. So when we run this, we will see that Python will ask us these questions and then store that input in these variable names. So let's run this, and we see that Python is asking me what is your name. I will say Akshay. What is your year of birth? Then I'll say 1999. Then it asks me what is the current year. Then it is 2025. And then Python tells us, hello Akshay, you are 26 years old. Note that I forgot to give space here, and then we don't have space in front of our input for the third question. So if I run this again, there will be a space this time since I've given it here. So I hope you were able to solve this exercise with both the methods. It's quite straightforward and it uses some of the concepts that we saw in the previous lectures. I hope you enjoyed it. In the coming lectures, we'll look at if-else statements. We'll also have more exercises. I hope you're enjoying this course, and with this much, I'll see you in the next one.